Headache is a subjective symptom caused by various diseases. It is manifested by a unilateral or bilateral headache. During severe attacks, the patient brings nausea and vomiting. Scraping can be used for treating headache caused by various factors. Because of meridian on the head linking 5 zang and 6 fu organs, headache can be caused by functional disharmony, stagnation, or insufficiency of qi and blood. So painful part is related with pathologic meridian. Holographic meridian scraping can be used to relieve headache. It has obvious effect for treating nervous headache and vascular headache. Scraping may relieve temporary syndrome caused by cerebral disease and infective poisoning diseases, so doctor should treat actively primary disease. Head scrapped regions. First, scrap middle region of forehead, which is at midpoint on the anterior hairline. Scrap from the root of the nose upward to the hairline with rigorous scraping. The manipulation feature is rubbing forward and backward heavily in small areas, and no need for a lubricator. Scrap posterior 1/3 on vertex region of forehead. During scraping, one hand fixes the patient's head and the other scrap using rigorous scraping. Then scrap the lower part of anterior oblique region of vertex temporal, which corresponds to the same side of the head. So treating headache on the same side, the rigorous scraping should be used. Points on the head.
百会、神庭、头围、曲鬓、太阳、风池、哑门、肩颈、曲池、合谷。颈椎是头
The cervical vertebra is the corresponding region of the head, which is scrapped first. Then scrap the parts bilateral to the cervical vertebra heavily.
刮拭的时候，按压力要大，从上向下刮。刮拭头部
Scrap
太阳
Taiyang
穴
point from anterior to posterior.
刮拭头
Scrap
尾穴
S8 point.
风池穴
Scrapping should be applied mainly at G20 point with the corner of plate.
风池穴是刮拭的重点。曲鬓穴
Scrap G7 point.
可以用刮痧梳
Scrap
子
GV20 in radiating outward using scrapping comb.
先从百会穴
First,
向头顶
scrap
部
from
刮拭
GV20 to the vertex of the head,
再从百会
then
穴
from
向
GV20
两
to the
侧耳上
hairline
部刮拭
above the ear.
刮拭后头部
Scrap the back and the side of the head, with the wrist applying
刮拭的
force
按压
heavily.
力要大，拳头刮
During
拭感
scrapping,
觉疼
painful
痛的
part
部位
is the pathologic region where should be scrapped mainly.
对于疼痛的部位要重点的刮拭。刮拭肩
Scrap
体穴
G21 point
左
on the
侧肩
left
颈
and
下
right.
有结节，出痧较多。
On the left, appearance of nodules and much cutaneous bleeding indicates severe stagnation in meridian.
组织严重。刮拭上肢曲池穴
Scrap LI11 point on the arm. Scrap and knead LI4 point on the hand.
平时可以经
In
常
normal
按揉第二
times,
掌
knead
指
the
头
head
区
points
重点
on the
按揉
second
疼痛
metacarpal
敏感
bone and
也
scrap
可
the
刮拭
painful sensitive
用
points.
刮板挖线处
Scrap the
刮
root
拭
of
中
middle
指
finger
中指
using the concave plate.
患者可以自己
The patient
经常刮拭
can scrap the
全
whole
头
sole heavily
按压力要
in
大
order to dredge qi blood all over the body.
重点刮拭
Scraping should be
头部的
applied
背
mainly
部
at head
足大
point on the big toe
这样可以
in order
巩
to
固治疗的
consolidate the
效果
curative
预
effect
防
and
头
prevent
疼发作
headache.